I've read and heard comments about Mother Nature's mad at us. And we're being sent to our rooms without supper. And somehow that we've offended her, or she's tired of our stupid pollution. And I just want to say, I think that's just completely our projection. I think it's a story many of us have grown up with. I know I have. Or over time, I find actually that story keeps me separate from nature. It's like saying we're unlovable. And I invite you to explore and inquire and ask for yourself, nature, do you love me? To say it directly to nature, however you do it, in silence, in meditation, outdoors or indoors. Nature, do you love me? Is your love for me unconditional? And let me know what you get. I look forward to hearing from you.